If you hate flossing as much as I do, and your dentist keeps telling you that you're gonna lose all your teeth and have like gum disease, then you're probably gonna wanna watch this video because it's definitely not about flossing, but it is about something that my dental hygienist told me that is the second best thing to flossing and totally something that you should consider buying. I'll have a link in the description for you guys. What I'm talking about is a water flosser today. This is something that was sent to me in collaboration with Sejoy. I've been using this for about 2 months now, I want to say, and I have to say it is incredible. It comes with a whole bunch of different tip sizes, so you can have kind of different water pressure or whatever, and to get, like, depending on the size of the gaps in your teeth or whatever, you can get you know, all of everything in between your teeth and out of your gums. Instead of flossing, you just use this, and what it does is basically there's this giant tank here, and I find that the tank is big enough that I don't ever have to refill it when I use it. So you just fully fill it up, and there's enough water in there to do all of your teeth, and you don't have to refill it again. It's super easy to use. There's a power on button, and then there's a second button that all it really does is sets the different water pressures for you, and this will get everything out of your teeth and your gums as close as you can outside of flossing. It's super easy to use. You literally just put it up to your teeth, and you just let her rip, and you just go up and down until you get all your teeth in between your teeth and your gums. And honestly, if my hygienist tells me that this is going to be something that that is second to flossing, and something that's super easy to do and not as annoying as flossing, then I'm gonna do it. And I've been really happy with this product. I love that there's different water pressure settings, so that if you're sensitive, especially if you're sensitive to different temperatures of water, having a pressure that works for you is easier on your sensitivity. I never really thought I had sensitivity to cold water. Like, I can drink cold water and it's just fine, but I find with this, maybe it's because of the amount of pressure that you get with the cleaning, if I put cold water in here, it is torture on my teeth sensitivity. So I find that going with like a more lukewarm water works a lot better for me, and just something to consider. Even if you think your teeth aren't sensitive to cold water, don't start with cold water with this because you might regret it. I'll have a link in the description for you guys if you want to purchase one of these. I believe I have an affiliate code as well for them that gives you 20 or 30% off or something like that, so I'll toss that in here for you guys as well. If you don't want to purchase directly from them, you can purchase also from Amazon, which I'll toss a link in the description for that for you guys as well. You won't get the 30% off discount code on Amazon though, unfortunately. I will also pop up a QR code here for you guys, something that I'm trying out. That way you can scan it on your cell phone if you're watching this on your TV or iPad or something, and it's just easier to buy right away. Next up, you should check out one of these two videos. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.